So we come to the final part of the first day, and I mean this is now a tradition. After the structured dialogue, we have a summary, which will be presented by Jean-François Lecomte from ICRP, and also IRSN, a member of ICRP, but also a staff member of IRSN. So he's going to explain what he catch from the discussion today. The floor is yours, Jean-François.
Thank you, Jacques. It's always difficult with such exercise to summarize what you said, because you, as usual, you said a lot of things, and I apologize in advance if I miss some points. The question with this 70s dialogue is what do we need for the future? And before to see what were the element of answer you gave, just to remind some element in terms of what is the point. The point is that many people say that they wish to come back, but most of them didn't yet. And in particular, young people are still reluctant to return in the affected area. Of course, the issue of radiation is still at stake. It is a complex issue. It is still difficult to understand. And sometimes we have overreaction about the issue of doses. Even if contamination and doses are generally low, it's not always the case, but generally it is low. And you mentioned that information about that is not well shared, not well circulated. In this context, the issue of children is still the priority. However, you said that there are also other issues to be addressed. And then a series of slides focusing on some key points you mentioned. First, the issue of measurement. Making measurement is important for the future. It helps for the way forward. It is useful for understanding exposure and controlling the risk. However, we need help for interpretation of the result. It is useful, important to go to individual level in the measurement and to compare between individuals, of course, inside family, inside communities, and also it could be useful to compare with other type of situations. One person mentioned the issue of airplane. It was said that men are a little bit more reluctant, at least at the beginning. It would be interesting to see why. And it was also mentioned that measuring body and food is important, but not sufficient. We have also to see what about the soil, water, air, to see the transfer of the radioactivity, etc. Another important thing for the future is get and share information. Of course, each person has his own perspective, and it is a matter of dignity, respect, to respect this perspective. It was said that the issue of risk on communication is not totally over, even if some people claim that it is, and this issue should be a little bit reviewed. Because lack of information induces fear. And we need to get and share information from the very beginning, inside and outside. I mean, affected area, but also in Japan with international countries, etc. There are many routes for that, through measurements, through meetings, through training, through exhibition, a lot of ways. It helps a lot for avoiding discrimination, and we'll come back about discrimination. We still have a problem of trust. For many reasons, information is complex, not totally sometimes distorted. Many actors have a role in the share of information, government, experts, municipalities, media, NGOs, etc. And we have the feeling that these stakeholders are not totally efficient today yet for the share of the information. There are networks already existing and we should use them. We should also create new networks as relevant for sharing information, sharing good practices. Educational program should take into account the issue of radioactivity. Disseminate good practice, I already said, and you mentioned that this type of dialogue is very useful. Important to get and share information. Get a job. It was a key point also, not only for this panel, but also for the mini panel this morning. Restart our job is clearly a big motivation to come back in the affected area. I noted many talks about the farming, especially the issue of vegetable and flower. Farming is, of course, a challenge because it is difficult in contaminated territories, but it is essential, it is close to the nature, it is close to people, and it is essential, and many panelists get to this type of job and enjoy this type of job. It is better to grow vegetables than to buy vegetables. But it is also more comfortable to grow flowers than vegetables because we are sure that we cannot disseminate the radioactivity. Another point for the future is the need to struggle against discrimination. One of the panelists made the comparison with the Hibakusha, after Hiroshima and Nagasaki bomb. This discrimination affects both people who are evacuated and people who were not evacuated. All these people need to be supported. And the issue of solidarity between generations is very important. Some individuals are probably need more support and should be targeted. However, nobody should be forgotten. And it could be useful to see what each individual can do. Also the importance of some stakeholders such as PTA association. Be positive. It is also a key point from yourself in order to see the future. Not focus only on negative aspects. Be proactive. It seems to be a new tendency in affected areas, notably, and it concerns both men and women. It is easier now than a few years before. And this, to be positive, is also to take the opportunity of discover new school, new find, to have new activities, new experiences, and it could be a positive aspect with that. It is a way to rebuild communities, and the fact that now we are in a context of accident is also a way for some people to change their personalities, to get more open for the other, for the exchanges, to be now able to speak in public, to be able to take the floor. All these aspects may be positive. The issue of pets is very important. Pets are our friends, our beloved. They are dependent. The owner depends on the pet depends on the owner. And experience shows that it was a problem, notably at the moment of the evacuation, and also after. The separation is bad for both owner and pets. It was also said that pets should not suffer too much, and it is a very important issue. My last slide, just to give my general feeling listening to you this morning and this afternoon about present, past and future. My feeling is that you mainly talk about the present, your involvement now, very important, and it seems that the past starts to be digested. It's difficult to digest the past. But now the talk are not as victims, etc., tears, claims, no. You are engaged in your job, your activities, you are in the present. But it is still difficult to talk about the future. The future is still uncertain. That is my feeling after listening to you. Thank you very much.